Okay, my dear students, we are in the part 2 section of our Microsoft Word. In the previous video, we discussed about like inserting images, adding color to the page, adding border to the page. Okay, so today we will talk about the margins, adding, inserting tables, okay, and many more things. So let's start. Let me share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, let me share. Okay, you can look at my screen, everyone. Now I will open Microsoft Word from here, WORD. Okay, I will open a blank document first of all. We have already discussed these things before also. So I have opened a blank document from here. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have already added color to the page, inserted borders. So let's talk about margins today. Okay, so everyone, you can see here. Okay, let me annotate it. Okay, let me annotate it. Spotlight. So look at here. Okay, you will see a layout option here. Okay, you'll see a layout option. So first of all, go to the layout section, everyone. Those who have Microsoft Office 2007 installed, you can go to the page layout section. Okay, there will be page layout section, and you will find here, let me show you. You'll find here margin section. You'll find a margin section here. So let us click on the margin section. When I'll click here, it will show many options like last custom setting, normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored. So our present status is normal, which is saying that you have given margin 1 inch in the top, 1 inch in the bottom, 1 inch in the left, and 1 inch at the right. Okay, so let us see. Okay, when I will type here, okay, so it is simply saying that I have given 1 inch margin. So let me draw. Okay, let me draw. Okay, so it is, our texts are being drawn from here. Okay, look at here. So simply we are being to write from this part only. Okay, we are being able to write from this part. When we will go to the margin section, okay, when we will go to the margin section, and we will and let's select narrow one. Okay, let's select narrow one. When I will select narrow, then look at here, our text has came here in this section. So let me draw. Okay, our text has come to this section. So it is saying that we have given 0.5 margin at the top, 0.5 margin in the down section, 0.5 in the left, and 0.5 at the right. Let us discuss more thing about the margins here. Okay, so let me go to the margin section. We can give our custom margin also. Okay, we'll go to the custom margin. Okay, look at here, everyone. I will select. Okay, go to the margins and go to the custom margins here. Select custom margin. After that, you can see, okay, you can see there is written top, left, bottom, and right. So I will give at the top. Okay, I will give simply 1 inch margin. Okay, and in the bottom also I will give 1 inch margin. Okay, and in the left I will give just 0.5, and in the right also I will give just 0.5. And let us click on OK. When I will click OK, now see here, we are being able to write from this part. Let me draw. Okay, these are the same, but the top margin has been increased. What it has been, the top margin has been increased. Okay, so let me clear all my screen. Clear all drawings. Okay, so we discussed about margins. Now we will go and talk about orientation. Okay, we will talk about orientation. Orientation means simply to keep a page vertical or horizontal. vertical or horizontal. Look at this page. Okay, you can look at this page. This page is vertical right now. Okay, a simple A4 size paper it is a simple A4 size paper, and it is kept vertically. Okay, so when we are writing here, we can write more things. Okay, from left to right. Okay, see here. So when I'll go to this orientation part, look at here. Okay, everyone, when I'll go to the orientation part, see here, when I'll click to it, I'll go in the orientation part. There will be option of portrait and landscape. There will be option of portrait and landscape. Portrait means simply keeping it vertical, and landscape means simply keeping it horizontal. So let me select landscape. Now you can see this page has become horizontal. Before it was vertical, now it has become horizontal. Okay, so let me keep it landscape. Okay, now see, I will write here hello world. I have written hello world. Now we everyone know how to select this text. So simply we select the text by clicking our left button of our mouse. Okay, or tapping our mouse, which are present in our laptop, 2 times. Okay, we will select it, and after that I'll go to this home section, and I will bring this hello world in the middle part of my page, in the middle part of my page. So let me go in this section. You can see here we have already discussed about these things, this. Okay, so I will just select this. Okay, click on this, and hello world will come to the middle part. Okay, let me increase the size also. Let me increase the size of hello world. To increase the size of hello world, we simply go to this section and select the size. Okay, we have already discussed in our previous video also. Let me keep it 72, and let me select a style, simply the handwriting of my hello world. So let me select the handwriting. I will select let me select a good handwriting from here. Okay, okay, so I think this is fine. This one is good. Okay, so I have selected a handwriting from here. We have also increased the size of our letter. Okay, and we have kept our page in a landscape mode. We have kept our page in a landscape mode. Simply that means in horizontal. We have kept our page horizontal. Okay, after that we will talk about this one. Okay, this box, this container. Okay, this container simply it does, it just keep a background color to our text. Okay, let us see the example. Let me click on this, okay, box, and let me select colors from here. You can look at the background color of our text, it is being changing. Okay, so let me keep it as black. I'll keep it as black. So now our hello world has become black. Okay, fine. Now we will talk how to insert any table to our page. So let us go to insert section. Okay, let us go to insert section, this one section. Okay, let me point out this insert section. Okay, I will go to the insert section, and after that there is an option of table. Okay, I will select on tables. Okay, and I'll select how, which, okay, either I want to select 2 into 1, or let us first of all come out from this. Okay, okay, we came out from this, and let us select a table from here. So this 2 into 1 means we are making two tables. Okay, two rows, sorry, two columns of our table. Okay, and 3 into 1 means we are making three columns of our table. Okay, and let us give a row also. So this 3 into 2 means we have given 3 column and 2 rows. Okay, we have given 3 columns and 2 rows. So let us give just 3 column and 3 rows. Okay, so I have given 3 column and 3 rows. So this table is looking quite bigger, so to adjust the size of the table, just you have to go to this section. Okay, and you can see this one. Okay, this one, you can just come to this section and you can adjust the size of your table. Just click it here from your mouse. Okay, double click. Okay, everyone, double click, and now you can just adjust the table size. See here, I'm being able to adjust the table size. You see, now from here I'll just see here, I have just adjusted the size of my table. Okay, okay, so now we can adjust the size of our table by going to this section and decreasing the size. Okay, let us first of all decrease the size, okay, of our letters. Let me keep it to 20 and let me adjust the size. Okay, I will write here serial number s.n0. Okay, I'll write here serial number. After that I'll write here name, name, and I'll write here roll number. Okay, so I'll simply write here roll number. After that I'll write here 1, serial number 1. I will write her name, like I will write Ammi. Okay, and after that I'll write here roll number is 23. Okay, I'll write here roll serial number 2. I'll write here Sangya. Okay, I'll write here Sangya. After that I'll adjust it. Okay, and I'll write here roll number as 24. Okay, now to decrease the size of this, okay, first of all select all those things, okay, to decrease, and now you can decrease the size from here. See here, our table size is also been decreasing and our contents are also been decreasing. So let us select to just 24 size. Okay, now see, we can see here we have adjusted the table. Let us bring to little bit here. Okay, let us resize it. Okay, so we have made a table, we have created a table. Okay, and after that we have just kept some information, a dummy information inside it. Now let us color the table sections. Okay, if I have to color the sections of this name color, okay, then I'll just select, double click. Okay, double click and select it. Okay, let me select this part, or you can just go here, you can see this arrow. Okay, see this arrow, you can see this arrow. Look, let me see the black one arrow. Okay, this will select the whole part. Well, this will select the whole part. Now I will color it. Okay, I will go to this section and I will color this. Let me give a color like orange. I've given orange color to this section. Now again I will go to this arrow, you can see the black arrow. Okay, just go here and click here. Okay, and I will give this color as, let us select blue color here. Okay, I have selected blue color. After this I will again go here and I will point this, okay, this arrow, and I will just click one time, it will be selected. Okay, now I will just select a color from here. I will select, let me select gray color. Okay, I selected gray color. So in this way we can insert tables to our page, we can color those tables. Okay, and we can also increase or decrease the size of the tables, we can also increase or decrease the size of the fonts. Okay, After that we will discuss now we will discuss some of the things which we discussed earlier, like coloring our page. We should go to the design section, we should go to the page color section, and in this way we can color our page. So let me keep it as, which color do you like? Let me keep as green color. So I keep green color of our page. We can keep a border to our page also. We have to go to the page border section. After that we have to go to the art section, and we can just keep any border, or we can just keep from this, okay, from this section. So I will keep from the style section a border, okay, and I'll press okay. Now a border has been also added to our page, okay. So in this way, this is our part 2, okay, of our Microsoft Word. We are wrapping our Microsoft Word workshop today, and after this we will have a section 3 also, part 3 of our video. In in that video we will cover all the parts of Microsoft, okay. So have a good day to everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.